Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting an incredible deal for Gravitec. Are you having trouble converting leads to sales? Looking to increase subscriptions? Try Gravitec. Gravitec is a simple online push service that increases traffic to your website by converting one-time visitors into subscribers. Gravitec can be installed instantly using the WordPress plugin with one click. No code integration. Or by adding a code snippet to your website's primary HTML template. Gravitec makes it simple to construct targeted campaigns and personalized messages. Generate specific campaigns by targeting users based on their operating system, country, city, language, and browser. Gravitec extends even farther with advanced segmentation capabilities that let you target subscribers depending on their activity. For optimum flexibility and involvement, you can generate these segments either automatically or manually. Send the relevant material to the right subscribers, with no-code automation that takes just a few minutes to start up. You can send campaigns automatically, depending on notification items from site metadata, saving time while getting the most out of all the features. You may also send drip push campaigns for targeted notifications, and build a welcome message for new subscribers. With customized automated push notification campaigns, Gravitec can help you increase site traffic, improve user engagement, and increase conversions. Make sure your website has greater engagement than ever before. Use Gravitec. Save as much as $2,000 if you avail our lifetime deal for Gravitec. Lifetime deal starts at only $49. You can grab this super low price and get lifetime access to Gravitec. Don't miss out on this one. Optimize conversions and encourage repeat visits with Gravitec. Click the link below for more information. Go over our collection of current software lifetime deals available on the top right of your screen. Catch special deals that's right for you. Hit like and subscribe to get our latest software deals and so much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.